Hi guys, a few of you have asked me to do a Sephora haul. I didn't go mad this year because a lot of it was a bit more expensive than it used to be, but I did get some really good value kits. So the first one I want to show you that I got is the Sephora Favourites Lash Stash to Go. And basically in here you get 5 mini travel size mascara, and then you also get a voucher inside for the full size kit. So you get to try all of these mascaras and then you go back and you pick your favourite. So I think that was $29. So yeah, that's a really good deal. And then the next one, I get this every year if I can. It's a sun safety kit. It's basically $39 and you get all these products, sunscreens to try. In there's got the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream SPF, and that's $50 on its own. So that's a really good kit to try out lots of different sunscreens. The next one I got is the Sephora Favourites Plump and Hydrate kit. This is $30, but then you get the full size NARS Orgasm lip balm, which is beautiful shade, and then a full size Rose Ink by Rosie Whiteley. So that's another one that I got. And then I'm a bit of a sucker for a dry shampoo, so I've got a few to try. So I've got a Wee Dad Clean Sweep moisturising dry shampoo, which is especially for curly hair. So that's a really good moisturising dry shampoo to try. And then I got the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. Another one, Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. And then the IGK First Class. It's a charcoal detox even dry shampoo. And then an Amica Per Cup dry shampoo. So I've got 4 different dry shampoos to try. I also got, as a 100-point perk, I got this Amica hair mask to try out. Excuse me, the other 2 purchases I did was I got these Sephora lip glosses. So one is, this is Melted Pink. I don't know if you can see that. And then this is Deep Rose. I think these are only $9, I think, but they're really lovely, shiny lip glosses. Very subtle, not too dark or too dramatic, so perfect for me. And the last thing I bought was these derma wands to get rid of all the little bits of facial hair on your face. So these are amazing. You just basically scrape away all the peach fuzz and it gets rid of all, and you left lovely baby soft skin. So yeah, that's another thing. So as with Sephora, you always get a birthday gift. My birthday gift was this Laura Mercier. So you get a very large size of the translucent powder and this eye cream stick. So that's your birthday gift. Everybody gets that. And then you get your point perks. So for this trip, I got Bare Minerals Mineral Veil as a 100-point perk. Melt lipstick, which is an ultra matte lipstick in the shade Frisky. I love a little travel size. These Fab Facial Radiance Pads. So they're good for exfoliating the skin. And then this Kiehl's Dark Spot Corrector Serum. So that was all my 100-point packs. And then also, you usually get samples as well. So I got a sample of some sleep cream. Premier Crew Quarterly The Cream, which is brilliant stuff. Some Sephora foundation samples. So you can find out your shade. They're all a bit dark for me, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And then Pride Candy perfume sample. So basically that's my haul. Like I said, I didn't spend a lot this trip because everything was so expensive, and a lot of stuff you can get over in the UK now. So, but I just thought I'd show what I bought over there. So thanks for watching and take care.